In this video, I want to show you how to merge features in ArcGIS Pro. For example, I have this bunch of polygons, and if I want to merge all these polygons into a single polygon feature, how to do it? For example, I can right click here and label it to show you that there are multiple polygons. Now, if I want to merge all these together into a single feature, how to do it? So, to do it, come to Edit, then come to Editor to Gallery, click it, then come to Merge. When you click on Merge, it will open this page. Then under Existing Feature, click on the drop down and click any of these features, whether rectangle, polygon, lasso, circle, line, or trace. So what we want to use this for is to use it to highlight all the features we want to merge. So let me select rectangle. When you select it, come and highlight the features you want to merge, just like this. So this will select all the features, and here you can see the highlights of the features that has been selected. You can see it here. So all the features on the view, I've selected everything. I want to merge everything together. So after you have selected it like this, you will see option here called Merge. Click on it. When you click on it, you can see that it has merged everything together into a single polygon. You can see it has merged everything together. So in a nutshell, this is how to merge features in ArcGIS Pro. Thank you for watching.